Peace, family. King Andrew Woods here. Look, me and my partner literally just left Lee's Liquor and got us a bottle of Douce so we could sip and get ourselves right while we shoot a little content today. But in the process, we was passing by and I seen a dollar loan center. We was talking about credit and I told him, look, bruh, let me show you what the power of credit can really do. I'm finna run in here right now and grab a quick $1,000 and then we just gonna roll around and chop it up on how we could turn that 5,000 into cash flow and show you how to truly leverage credit. Now, when I come out here, I'm gonna show you guys what credit can really do, and then you guys need to chop it up with me and reach out so you can figure out how you could do the same by leveraging your credit scores. Okay, so what's happening right now is I uploaded my proof of income verification, but I have to unfreeze my Transunion credit report because they're gonna do a soft credit pull from Transunion. If they pull from your credit report and your credit's frozen, they're not gonna be able to pull it and see anything. So you gotta unfreeze it or you're gonna get denied for the loan. And I clicked on temporary lift your credit freeze. The reason I do that is because when you click temporary lift your credit freeze, they're gonna give you the option so I could choose lift it today and freeze it back tomorrow. That way I don't gotta go back to the website and freeze it tomorrow. When I wake up, it'll automatically be frozen in 24 hours from now. So then it could be my mama. She could have my social security number, my ID, my address. She won't be able to open an account in my name. You won't be able to get no mortgage, no cars, no credit cards, nothing. So you got to keep all three of your credit reports frozen: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. All right, now like I told y'all, we was just on a little stop riding by, and in the process I said, let's stop right here so I can show you the power of what credit can do. Now here go the application, there go my name, how much I just grabbed real quick little $1,000. Here go the money. Man, y'all really need to stop playing. Click the link in my bio, get in contact with myself or one of my assistants, because myself and the team could really help you get your credit together. Real talk. We're gonna document every process, the entire process, bro. Let me see what it says. Lift ends on 4/10/2024. Man, just that easy.